The residential real estate market in and around Salt Lake City is in for a very active spring. I know that might come as a little bit of a surprise given all the headlines out there of extreme volatility across all sorts of different markets, but where we find ourselves today is a very limited supply that has been dropping for the last 6+ months. Every single week, pretty much. We have less homes available on the market than we did the week before. And that has been the case since this last November. And the last few months have really brought a pretty significant increase in demand. A couple of months ago, we actually started seeing multiple offers habitually again. So where we find ourselves today, like I mentioned, with that very limited inventory that's on the higher end of what we think of limited inventory in think 2021 and 2022. And we have demand that is pretty high. Fun fact, there are actually more homes currently under contract in Salt Lake County, to use that example, than there are available for sale. And that's a pretty extreme indicator of a seller's market. We also look at how many homes have recently sold. And right now, homes are selling by the truckload. We're actually on the low end of the range of home sales that we typically saw during, let's call it the mega boom of 2022 and 2021. We're seeing that many homes sell every 30 days. So homes are moving. We are in a very, very unique real estate market right now. This does vary greatly from neighborhood to neighborhood, city to city, county to county, but basically the macro environment, low inventory that is continuing to drop, and in the current environment that is highly likely to continue to be the case. Inventory is probably going to be significantly lower, say next month, than it is right now. And demand, by all indicators right now, is very likely to continue to increase. So as the sun comes out, as it is right now, a whole lot of would-be home buyers and home sellers like yourself are very likely going to be out and active. So kind of a fun thing to deliver. Of course, if you are having any thoughts of selling and or buying, most people in your shoes, if that's the case, like to do that. If they're doing both, like to do that without having to move twice. It might be worth having a casual conversation. I'd be honored to assist you. And do feel free to reach out anytime. Thanks so much.